name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you are new. I'm so happy that you've stopped by my channel to check out what I'm up to. Today is Tablescape Tuesdays, my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is an open invite collaboration. It's conducted every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's hosted by Anna of the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Courtney from Amethyst Adventures. So I'll be posting the links to their channels in the description box down below. You have to stop by their channels to check out what they're up to. They have some awesome content, and let them know that Jean Home Decor and More sent you over. I'm also going to include in the description box down below the hashtag Tablescape Tuesdays 23. So today in my tablescape, I'm doing a buffalo check tablescape. I've never done one before. This is my first time doing a buffalo check tablescape. I've seen other creators, co-content creators, doing a buffalo check style tablescape. So I thought I would, try my hand at one. So let's come on in for a closer look. Y'all see what I have on, my little paraphernalia from the Beyonce concert and the fan. Y'all, that show was epic. So anyway, let's move on into the tablescape. Okay, everyone, here's what I created for a buffalo style check tablescape. So let me just come on in and have a closer look. Okay guys, so let me come in and talk a little bit about some of the things where I purchased these items from. So this buffalo check runner I picked up from Amazon, I'll say now about 3 weeks ago. And these buffalo check pumpkins, I think they either came from Target as you come in the front entrance. I know I said on a previous video, Dollar Tree, but they did come from Target in that section when you first come into the store, because I've said before, all Targets are set up the same. So I picked up 2 of those, and I've had these now for a little while and included them in a previous video. The napkins I picked up from Walmart, as well as the salad plates. I picked these up from Walmart. The woven placemats I've had for some time, quite some time, as well as the candle holders and the wood riser and the goblets. Now, let me come into this little DIY. I did this DIY, I would say now probably about 2 months ago, 6 weeks ago or so. And these are all little picks that I picked up from Joann's and the Dollar Tree. And I thrifted that little glass container, and so that was really easy. It was 50 cents, and that was probably all it was worth, guys. But anyway, I put some moss in there to hold the picks in place, and I have a little garland wrapped around, and behind that garland, believe it or not, is a little buffalo check ribbon, but you can't really see it that well with the garland surrounding it. But I glued that on. And I thought that actually came out pretty nice for a little DIY. Y'all know I don't do a whole lot of DIYs. I'm not the DIY person, but I'll take a stab at it every now and then. And as far as this little black pumpkin, I got that from Home Goods, I want to say in Williamsburg a few years ago. So so that was a nice find. I really like that black pumpkin. But I thought this was a nice look for the first time of styling a buffalo checks, tablescape. So let me know what you think. I'm going to come back and I'm actually going to change out the centerpiece and let you guys let me know what you think. So keep watching. Okay guys, here's my second look for my buffalo check style tablescape. I've included a different centerpiece, so I thought that this was kind of interesting, kind of nice, just to give it a different flair. But I thought this turned out really, really nice. These little fall florals came from the Dollar Tree, believe it or not, and I love those burnt orange sunflowers with the print feathers, at the top. So let me know, what do you think? If you like these types of videos, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my channel. As you can see, I like home decor, styling tables, tablescapes. I do retail walkthroughs, cooking, and I do some DIYs, not a lot of DIYs, but I do some DIYs. But if you like that type of content, please consider subscribing, give me a big thumbs up. Please feel free to leave a comment. Feedback is always good. And I appreciate you guys watching my videos until the end. That also helps. So until the next time, I hope everyone has an amazing day and happy Tablescape Tuesday. Bye-bye.